Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is not going to be your typical power hour, but it's going to be a power half hour. I was really tired. We had just gotten home from the gym. The boys were already in bed, but I didn't want to leave the mess the way it was, so I at least wanted to do something before bedtime. So a perfect half hour will do. I went ahead and got started in the living room since it is the one place that we spend the most time in. It's always messy, especially this coffee table. Then I decided to give the couches a quick wipe down. The boys are always jumping around and playing on the couches, and since they are such a light color, they easily get dirty. Then I grabbed my handy dandy shark that I have been loving, and I gave the carpet a quick clean. This is a really fluffy carpet, and I'm really surprised how good it picks up the dirt. And we are 10 minutes in. The next thing I did was start to clean our center island. This place is our dump zone. We literally just place everything and anything on here, so it's always looking like this. And can I just say how much I love the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent? It is by far my favorite scent. So if you have not tried this scent, you have to try it. You will be obsessed. Then I went ahead and started to put away the dishes from the night before. So I do work a full-time job, so a lot of the cleaning that I do gets done late at night after the boys go to bed. So these dishes were from the night before, and I really tried to clean the dishes from that night, but within the 30 minutes I wasn't able to get them done. But my handy-dandy husband got them done for me. So we are 20 minutes in, you guys, and the next thing I did was wipe down the side of the sink where I had all the clean dishes in. And like I said, I wasn't able to get to the dirty dishes, but again, my husband was able to do them for me. And the last thing that I was able to get to that night was folding the load of laundry that I had put in the dryer that day. Help me find the right words to say to get and time is up. That is my power half hour. I think I did okay. I was able to accomplish a few things and even fold some laundry, which is always a win-win. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Please be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos that I upload. Bye you guys. See you in the next one.